Hey guys, welcome back to UpClick. In this video, I'll be showing you, discussing with you, Glabrous Skin Epilator Hair Removal Device Review. So, you might be wondering what is Glabrous Skin Epilator device here? Well, the Glabrous Skin is a portable handheld epilator designed to remove unwanted hair by pulling it out from the root rather than shaving it at the skin's surface. According to the official website, it features root out technology, a compact and lightweight design, and can be used on the legs, underarms, arms, face, bikini area, and other body parts. Now, the manufacturer here claims it can keep skin smooth for up to like 6 weeks for regular use. Now, according to the manufacturer, the device works by using a rotating head fitted with high precision micro tweezers. As you glide the epilator across the skin, the tweezers grip individual hairs and pull them out from the root. Company here also states that the mesh head gently exfoliates the skin during use, helping to reduce dead skin buildup and the likelihood of ingrown hairs. Now, to use the Glabrous Skin, you first need to insert the battery or fully charge the device if applicable. Then turn it on. Hold the epilator at a slight angle against your skin and slowly move it against the direction of hair growth. Now, for best results here, you want to use it on clean, dry skin and work in small sections. After finishing, you want to clean the epilator head according to the manufacturer's instructions and apply a moisturizer if needed to help suit the skin. Now, the official website here, or the website, highlights features such as root level hair removal, lightweight portable design, full body use, skin exfoliation, and satisfaction guarantee. Pricing and promotional offers may vary over time, so you may need to visit their website and their storefronts to see the actual pricing here. Now, in this case, if you're interested with this specific product here, well, in this case, doing your own research by checking reviews and information from sources outside the official website is recommended to help you make an informed purchasing decision. And this applies for anything that you're buying online. And that's about it. If you found this video helpful, hit the like and subscribe button and watch our next video.